We are going to learn about body fluid and circulation. Now, student, you have already studied in a standard 11 what is a body fluid. Body fluid is a very essential thing which is required for the body, for any living organism, for transport of oxygen, for transport of waste materials. These body fluids are very essential. The body fluid includes like lymph, like blood, and these lymph and blood, they circulate in the body. Now with this circulation, they maintains our nutrients, and they also carry nutrients and also remove the body waste. Now students, in the circulation we have got type 1 and type 2. Type 1, there is intracellular circulation and extracellular circulation. In intracellular circulation, it is seen in lower unicellular organism. For example, amoeba, paramecium. And in extracellular circulation, it is seen in higher animals. Example, we human beings. Now this is a type 1 type of classification of circulation. Type 1 type of classification of circulation. Now we are going to study type 2 type of circulation classification. Now students, this type 2 circulation classification of circulation according to type of fluid. The fluid, there are two types in that: environment fluid circulation and internal fluid circulation. Students, environmental fluid circulation, the water, water which you have seen, water circulates in sponges. Sponge, you have seen water vascular canals are there. Through that small pores are there, water enters and water comes out. There is inlet and there is outlet which you observe in the sponge. So they are according to the water canal system. Now in a hydra, there is only one. This hydra also has got water inlet, only one entry, only one which comes, and through that its exit. So that is the water channels you will see, environmental fluid circulation. Second, which is very important, that is internal fluid circulation. In internal fluid circulation, blood vascular system, that is very important things which have got open type of and is a closed type. Open circulatory system and closed circulatory system. Now we have already studied, when you have studied animal kingdom classification, where some animal has got open circulatory system, some animal have got closed circulatory system. Now comes to the students, what is open circulatory system? The student, open circulatory system is nothing but in a one vessel, the fluid is collected in a pond like a sinuses, and in that organs are get bathed. Blood comes out of blood vessels. Blood comes out of blood vessels. Organs or tissue are dipped or bathed in a fluid. Very important. The bath doesn't have, they don't have any other system. They just, the organs are dipped in. They are dipped, डूबे हुए रहते हैं organs, and उससे अपना blood लेते हैं. The organs are dipped or tissue are dipped in the, what is called in the bloods. That how the exchange of gases takes place in between blood and tissue. Very important. The exchange of gases takes place in between blood and tissue, which you can observe this cockroach, where they have got an open circulatory system. Cockroach have hemolymph. Cockroach have hemolymph type of blood. Now, next very important, closed circulatory system. The blood never come out of blood vessels. Exchange of gases takes place through, you have got artery, arterioles, then forms venules. Through venules, the organs gets the blood supply, and from the after the exchange of gases takes place, through that organs exchange, and through that venules are formed, the waste materials are again going to veins. So the blood exchange takes place through capillaries, or so blood is in a closed circulation. Blood organs are not directly dipped in the blood vessels or in the blood like a open circulatory system. So students, today we have learned what is body fluid and what is circulation. Again I revise, body fluid, mostly in our system we have got lymph and blood. You have already studied blood is fluid connective tissue. That's very important. Now again, the blood, these are circulated in a type 1 type and type 2. We have seen type 1 intracellular circulation and extracellular circulation. Intra, cell, within the cell. Extra, outside the cell. That is important. So type 1 is type 1 and type 2. Now type 2 circulation is according to type of fluid. There is environmental fluid circulation and internal fluid circulation. You have got blood vascular system, open and closed. That is the, in this we have discussed about open circulatory system, where the blood come out of blood vessels, organ or tissue are dipped in a fluid, and examples are cockroach. Now closed circulatory systems, the blood never comes out of blood vessels. Through blood vessels exchange of gases takes place. That is the first lecture of online. Thank you, students.